binary operations data frame. So arithmetic operations, we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplications, and division. So in data frames, the binary operations performed on the basis of matched row and column indexes between two data frames. Suppose the row and column is unmatched, then the result will be not a number. Binary additions. So if you want to add the two data frames, we can use the formula data frame object 1 plus or object 2 and etc. We can use the symbol plus, or function we can use add functions. Data frame object 1 dot add up data frame object 2. So the first example you are going to see the scalar value, one single value will be added with the entire data frame. So in this example, the 5 is added with the data frame x. So we can use that plus symbol as well as add function also. So see here, data frame 147258369. The 5 is added with those values. So 1 plus 5, 6, and 4 plus 5, 9, 7 plus 5, 12. Likewise, all data is ordered. And similarly, you can use extra add up 5. So result will be the same only. And next, we can add the list of values with the data frame x. So x plus 5, 10, 20, this is a list of values, and 5, 10, 20 will be added with this x. Here the default axis is 0, that is a column wise data. So 1 plus 5, 6, and likewise 10 plus 4, 14, and 20 plus 7, 27 is added. Similarly, 2 plus 5, 7, and 5 plus 10, 15, 8 plus 20, 28. Likewise, data are ordered. Actually, the list of defaults is column, so column wise it will be added. So column value means 0th column is 1, 2, 3. So the 1, 2, 3 added with the 5. So 1 plus 5, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 5. Likewise added. And 4, 5, 6 is added with 10. So 4 plus 10, 14, 5 plus 10, 15, and 6 plus 10, 16. Next, second column 7, 8, 9 added with the value of 20. So column wise will be added because default axis is 0. It indicates the column in that additions. Next, we can add the two data frames without mentioning the axis. If you don't mention the axis, the default axis is column only. So here the two data frame x and y. So x is printed, y is printed, x plus y. So it's added column y. So x data frame 0th column and y 0th column will be added and result will be displayed. Likewise, x first column and y indicates, so one is indicates one is a row label for both. It indicates a second column. Index name is 1, right? And likewise, third column, that is label indicates number 2. The column label indicates 2, but actually it's the third column. So both the third column will be added and display the result. So here x contains 3 rows, 3 columns, but y contains 3 rows, but column is 2 columns. See the column label 0, 1, row label 0, 1, 2 for y data frame. Now we added the x plus y. See how is added. See first, the default axis is 0. It indicates column. So column is the addition performed. So both data frame 0th column, 0 index, okay, 0 label columns are added. So display 246, and see that next first 456 and 457 also added and display, and then third column. See, X contains the third column, label name is 2, which values is 789, but Y doesn't contain the third column, so the result is not a number. So unmatched column. So in a binary operations on data frames, unmatched columns return as a not a number. And next, using axis property also we can add two data frames. So here two data frames x, y, and the new axis is called x dot add of y comma axis 0. Based on that column wise we are going to add the datas. So here both data frame xy contain that equal number of rows and columns. Both are matched also, row label and column label. So added and result will be displayed. And next we are going to add the series with data frames. So x is the data frame and y is a series of values. C series always contains the only one column only. X contains 3 rows 3 columns. So we are going to add. How is added? You can see that. So that series first column values 1 2 3 will be added with the series value 1 2 3 and result display. Likewise, first column label, that is 456, will be added with the series value 1 2 3 and get the result 579. Likewise, 789 will be added with the series value 1 2 3 and get the result. And see here, axis equal to 1 is given. Axis 1 means row wise additions will be performed. So here how is performed? The 0th row 147 will be added with the series value 1 2 3. Likewise 258 added the series value horizontally, and 369 third row will be added with the series value 1 2 3 and get the result. Be added with the row wise. So using the next here x contains 3 rows 3 columns, and but y contains only the 2 rows only. Always series contains only one column. So see here now how it's added. See here first is axis 1, so row wise will be added. 147 add with 1 2 series value. See there is no value for third value 7, so no pair, so unmatched value, so it return the result not a number. Likewise other second row 258 added with the 1 2, so 2 plus 1 3 5 plus 2 7, but 8 there is no value for adding, so it return result is not a number. Likewise third also. Next one example is axis schedule, that is column wise will be added the series with data from X. So first one 1 2 3, that is the 0th column added with the 1 2, so 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 4, but 3 there is no value for add, so it return not a number. Likewise first column second column also return the result. So the result will floating numbers, because if any one row or column contain not a number, then automatically the particular row and column values will displayed in the floating format. Reverse additions. Reverse additions is, for example, 5 plus 3 is the actual additions. Reversely means 3 plus 5. Reversely we can add whatever reverse addition, also same like a normal addition result. In a data frame we want to use the reverse addition, we can use the functions or add. It indicates the reverse addition. So see the example xy2 data frames. Okay, extract or add y of reverse addition of y. So second value y will be added with the x value reversely will be added. Here is 1 is given, that is row wise data will be added and displayed. And using the series, how to add data reversely. So x is the data frame and y is the series. The series will be added with the x column wise. Say that how does it work. So y value is 1, 2, 2 rows, only one column, and x contains 3 rows, 3 columns. Next, how is reversely added, we are going to see that. So the axis 0 indicates, so a column will be performed. So 1 plus 1, the result will come 2, and next 2 plus 2 added and display as 4, and no more value for added with the 3, so result written as not a number. Likewise, the series value will be added with the second column of x. 1 plus 4 5 and 2 plus 5 7 and 6, there is no more value, so not a number display. And likewise, the y values will be added with the third column of x. 1 plus 7 8, 2 plus 8 10, and no more value for 9, so it written not a number. The same data, so use it as is equal to 1 in reverse additions. It means a row wise data will be added. So first row 1 plus 4 7, okay, if we add with it 1 2, so result, of course, row wise data, unmatched data return the not a number. Subtract the value between the two data frame using the formula. Data frame object minus symbol you can use, or SUB sub functions you can use. If you are using subtraction only, you can give two data frame objects, but if you are using minus symbol, you can subtract more than one data frame object. So see here, xy2 data frames values are subtracted and display the result. So default axis is a column. So column wise data are subtracted. X first column and y first column, so subtracted. Next x second column, y second column, both are subtracted, and then likewise third column also subtracted. For reverse subtractions, we can use the formulas or sub. See the example xy2 data frame. So extract r sub of y, so the y value is subtracted from the x. See here, first y column value 1 2 3, and same x column 0 label column value also 1 2 3, so subtracted 0. And next second column, that is 4 5 7 y is subtracted with the first column label of x 4 5 6, so we can get the result. At last 10 5 6, second column label of y is, okay, 10 5 6, and second column label of x is 7 8 9, so subtracted, and result is displayed like that. So multiplications performed by using the operator symbol asterisk or mul functions mul. So x, y, column wise multiplications performed here because default access is 0. So direct multiplications like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is both x and y 0th column. And x plus column 4, 5, 6 into 1, 1, 1. Direct values are multiplied. Suppose unmatched value means not a number will be written. See here there is no unmatched index values. All are same. So directly multiply and display. For reverse multiplications we can use the functions or null. Even though we are giving the reverse multiplications, it becomes the same result only. You see the example, x contains 3 rows 3 columns and y assert 3 rows 2 columns. How is performed, you can see that. So reverse is multiplied, so y into x, so y 0th column 1 1 1 multiply with 1 2 3 of the 0th x column, sorry x data frame. And next 2 to 2, that is that second column of y multiply with the 4 to 4 5 6 x data frame first column label, so you get the result. But third, there is no matched data, so it return the not an unmatched one because y contains only the 2 columns, x contains 3 columns, so return the result not a number. Divisions also we can perform by using the symbol forward slash or do function. So x, y, x 3 rows 2 columns and y contain only the 1 columns. So the unmatched data will be written as a not a number. For reverse functions or div, like reverse multiplications we can perform that. So here x 3 rows 2 columns, y is only 1 column 3 rows. So x or dy, it means y divided by x. So 2 5 3, next divided by 10 20 30, that is that x data frame 0 to column values. The second x, there is no match value, unmatched value, so it comes back, return the not a number.